How to draw a 2D gear in AutoCAD. Let's start here. Change circle unit. Choose center diameter. Click on the starting point. Enter radius. Repeat. Click line. Start from center. Enter angle. Make a vertical line. Trim unnecessary lines. Select Object. Click the arrow beside Array. Select Polar Array. Click on the center. Change item number to 3. Close Array. Click Line. Start from center. Input length 6 because the radius is 6. Draw circle from the edge of line. Erase line. Select Object. Polar Array. Change item number. Close Array. Trim unnecessary lines. Erase line. Click arrow below arc. Select Start, End, Radius. Don't do this. Start from right to left. Enter radius. Repeat. Change circle unit to center, radius. Start from the center. Enter radius. Make another circle. Start at the midpoint. Enter radius. Trim. Select Object. Polar Array. Change item number. Close array. Trim unnecessary lines. Piece of cake. Please like and subscribe for free. Drop a comment for the next basic tutorial you want me to cover.